Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the warming zone knob on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the knob is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So on our front panel right here, you'll see we have this smaller warming zone knob. So in order to replace that, you just pull it straight out, just like that. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement knob, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you'll see on the back of our control knob here, we've got this D-shaped hole. However, this little piece right here isn't quite D-shaped, but you will notice that there's a small tab on the bottom of it sticking out. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to line up the flat part on the knob with this flat part on top, not with the flat part with the little piece sticking out there, so that when you push it on, it'll go right on, just like that. If you try and put it on the other way, I'll just show you real quick, but it doesn't fit. So you can't push it on or anything. There you go. So if you're having an issue, just make sure you got it turned the right way. Then we'll test it out. Everything seems good and it's nice and secure on there. So how did the egg get up the mountain? It scrambled up. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.